As a converter, here are some of the materials that we're able to work with: pressure sensitive and non-pressure sensitive, films, foils, foams, non-wovens, custom die cut shapes, and insulating films. We can work all the way up to 3 inches to 20 inches. We mainly go roll to roll, but we have the sheet fed capabilities. We also sell labels, and we design labels and make labels for different companies. Hi, I'm Andy with Sohn Manufacturing. We manufacture flexographic printers, die cutters, and we convert paper and different adhesives. As we also have our own in-house label company. We come up with our own designs for customers when we go to shows so that they can see what we can and can't do. The emojis, which every time you see a kid, they gotta have a couple of them. And we've made them also for barcodes, just to attract customers, also for any of your mechanical machines. Foil, paper, we manufacture all our own machines and all our own machinery. We sell the smallest flexographic printing and die cutting equipment known. All over the world, 4-color, 1-color, and then we make all these dies in-house, all the way from flexibles to rotary dies. Here's some things we're doing in the converting division. This looks like a reflector, but is actually the outline of a fishing lure. They would apply this right onto the silver or gold attractant for the fish, put it on there, and as it goes through the water, it'll continue to reflect off the sun or the water. We have to pick the right adhesive, the right reflectiveness, the right colors, and definitely just trying to make sure what attracts fish. Now here's a medical product we converted for your EKGs. So you put them here, take it off here, and it makes it easy to come on and off the skin. Basically, people give us an idea of what they're looking to do, and we make it a reality. Well, we do all the way from big things all the way to our gaskets. Not only can we do paper, we can die cut nylon, metals, wood, electromagnetic material. Yeah, we are a contract manufacturer. One of the great things about us at Sohn Manufacturing, and then we're able to keep our flexographic printers and die cutters the price down, is everything's made here in the United States in Elkhart Lake, Wisconsin. We actually make our own dies. As you can see, these materials can be perfed, circles, different shapes. But these rotary dies, yeah, we can make them fit any machine. They can fit Mark Andy's, they can fit the Boston machines. Any kind of rotary system, we can make a die for. We have a guy who's been with us for 23 years. Machines he's all by hand himself. Most of our customers are looking just to make their project a reality. You know, a lot of these big name companies you've seen with the fishing lures. A lot of these people use them for electromagnetic materials in their computer boards. We've had customers come at us to die cut wood for them, to make flooring. Gosh, the list goes on and on. We actually have our own bandage that we make.
See us and other quality suppliers at d2p.com.